everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I'm super excited to bring you guys this makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and if you live in the US, then comment done down below. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just used that as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and I love using this product as a primer because it's super full coverage, so it just cancels out any discoloration on my eye. And then I always set everything in place with translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, and I absolutely love this palette. I've used it a ton on my channel, but I wanted to use it today just to show you guys different ways that it can be used. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Play. And I just grabbed that with a big fluffy brush and I put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. And it's a super light shade, so you could barely notice it, but it does make a difference when you're working with a lot of eyeshadows. Just start off with light colored eyeshadows and then work your way into the darker shades. And yeah, it just makes blending a little bit easier. And then I went into the shade Tickle and I focused this shade on the socket of my eye, and yeah, I just went in back and forth motions, just hugging the crease of my eye. And then I went in with a darker shade. I went in with this brown shade called Raw, and I grabbed a defined angled brush just to be really precise of where I want to add definition. And this is really good for those of you guys that are just starting out in makeup, because I know that when you're working with darker colored eyeshadows, it's really hard to have specific placement. So that's why I personally like to use angled brushes. But then I went back into those two shades that I used previously to blend everything out, and then I went in with the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette and I grabbed that it's like aqua color, the top right eyeshadow, and I just packed that all over my eyelid. And I think this shadow is absolutely stunning, and I don't know why I haven't used it like this before, because I love it so much, and I feel like I'm going to be using this eyeshadow a lot more. I went in with the Urban Decay Perversion waterproof eyeliner and I just created a quick wing. For lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bali. I will definitely leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to try out our lashes. And for those of you guys that don't know, Sofie Bella is our lash brand, so we really love and appreciate when you guys support our company, because we are still a really small business. And I went in with a black liner in my waterline, and then I went in with Tickle once again, and I just put that on my lower lash line, going in back and forth motions. And then I went back into the shade Raw, and I put that on my lower lash line as well, just focusing it really close to the lash part because I didn't want to drag it down too far. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!